Welcome to our video on Blink's armed versus disarmed mode. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the key differences between these security settings, helping you make the right choice to protect your home. Let's dive in. What happens when Blink camera is armed? When a Blink camera is armed, it enters a state of heightened security readiness. In this mode, the camera's motion detection sensors are activated, constantly monitoring the designated area for any movement. When motion is detected, the camera records a short video clip and sends immediate alerts to the owner's connected device, such as a smartphone. This proactive approach allows users to stay informed and respond swiftly to potential security threats, making the armed mode a crucial feature for safeguarding homes or property. Features of armed mode: motion detection activated records video on motion, sends instant alerts, enhances security vigilance. What happens when Blink camera is disarmed? When a Blink camera is disarmed, it switches into a non-security mode for convenience. In this state, motion detection sensors are deactivated, preventing the camera from recording or sending alerts for movement. However, users can still access live video streaming from the camera for monitoring purposes. This feature is useful when residents or homeowners want privacy or when they don't require active security surveillance, allowing for flexibility in camera functionality to suit various needs. Features of disarmed mode: motion detection off, no motion triggered recording, Here's a quick difference between Blink armed vs disarmed mode.